guys, welcome back to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today we will be taking care of our little princess. We are having a candlelight Pedi party. This is a wonderful idea as a family get together or also a mommy and me special bonding moment. We will be using ingredients we already have at home, gentle ingredients because we are dealing with our baby girl. Let's begin. First, we will need a basin with some warm water, a pinch of regular salt, a squirt of your regular shampoo, and some lime. You can put some lime juice, and after you put the lime in for decoration. Okay, just put your fingers in there, shake it around so we can get the bubbles going, and then have your baby girl place her feet in the warm water just for a minute or two because you know she can't wait a whole 5 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and get her feet wet. Now we will be placing in the lime slices in the water for decoration, and also at the end we will use the lime to rub her feet to exfoliate it a little bit, okay? Now we have the candlelight setting, just the whole cozy mood, the cozy setting. And right now I'm just using our regular spa or Pedi brush and just basically gently brushing her feet, brushing the sides, brushing her toes, and basically just giving her little feet some extra love. At this moment, this is the time you would like to give your little one a snack or a drink. And for my princess, I mixed together some apple juice and some Sprite. And guess what, guys? It looked like champagne. It was totally kid-safe champagne. So I gave her some kiddie champagne along with some fresh fruit. Go ahead and treat your baby girl like the princess she is. Now I will be removing her feet from the soapy water and putting in some fresh, clean, warm water and giving her feet a nice rinse. Then I will be patting her little feet dry. Aw, aren't these the cutest little toes you've ever seen? They're so small and chunky. So now I'll move along to rubbing her feet with some of that vanilla butter. Yes, it said body butter, but I can also use it on her feet. Yeah, just moisturizing those little feet. Look at that. Her feet are so small, they fit in the palm of my hands. Now we go ahead and pull their little toes, give it a little massage, make them feel special and loved. All right, guys, we are at the final step and we will be putting on just a little shine from the base coat. We just want to give our little princess that whole spa Pedi feeling, that whole spa Pedi setting. So we're going to paint it a little bit for her, and she's so excited to get her little toes painted. So you put a smile on your little one's face. Mommy, it is such a wonderful thing just to take time out to bond with your daughter. Mommy-daughter moment. These are very special. They can be just as cheap as this, just as frugal, just as easy, budget-friendly things that you have lying at home. Please go ahead and use this idea. Let me know in the comments how excited your baby girl was that mommy took time out to treat her as a princess. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more so you don't miss out on any new items that we bring out here at Family Life Daily Ideas. If this video was informative to you, please give us a thumbs up. Keep your creative juices flowing, and I will see you in our next video at Family Life Daily Ideas.